left hand on your hip for extra awareness. Let's add a lift. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, lift your hips off the mat and open top knee at the same time. Let's go for 8 reps, nice and slow. Focus on the breath. It helps get you movement and pace. You're doing great. Just a few more here. Now extend your top leg straight and we'll finish with a few tiny pulses. Lift and lower gently, small movements with control. Keep your hips stable, don't let them drop. That's it, amazing work. Let's come up to seated. Bring your right